Crushes ice with ease. Patented ice saber blades combined with a powerful 700-watt peak power motor crushes contents quickly for smooth, icy drinks. Smooth results. Ordinary blenders spin contents around the walls of the jar, which can leave whole chunks untouched by the blades, but our patented wave action system is designed to continually force the mixture down into the blades for consistently smooth results without stirring. Heat-resistant glass jar. The 40-ounce glass jar is thermal shock tested to withstand extreme temperature changes. It is perfect for parties or making a pitcher of shakes and smoothies that the whole family can enjoy. Mix, puree, ice crush and more with drip-free serving. 14 blending functions handles a variety of blending needs. Plus enjoy no-mess serving with an easy pour spout designed to eliminate drips. Easy to clean. The lid, blades and glass jar are dishwasher safe and the base comes with storage for the cord. 3-year. Backed by a 3-year, the durable motor is life-tested to blend 8,000 frozen drinks. Equipped with 700 watt of power, this countertop blender works great for liquefying frozen fruit, whipping up creamy shakes and smoothies, making pureed soups, and more. Its revolutionary wave-action blending system continuously forces the mixture down into stainless steel ice-crushing blades for thorough blending from top to bottom every time. Great for parties or everyday use, the blender's design includes a convenient dispenser valve, which can be removed and replaced by a cap for standard blending operation. The unit includes a 6-ounce dishwasher-safe durable plastic jar with a tight-fitting lid, generous handle, and drip-free spout for graceful pouring. Top reviews from the United States. Great frozen smoothies. Better than blenders that cost triple this one. I've tried many blenders and this one does a fantastic job for so much less money. I bought it for a vacation home and liked it so much I bought another one to replace ours at home. I am actually buying this again after having it over 2 years and leaving a spoon in it by mistake which stripped the gears. So yes, the gears are plastic and you can't blend spoons. But I blended ice every morning for 2 years without a problem, and let's face it, buying a blender with metal gears will cost a ton more, and the metal gears are made of zinc which is actually a softer metal than high-end plastics. I am not saying these gears are high-end plastic, I have no idea, but I can replace this every time I leave a spoon in it and still save money. Also, I blend my smoothies very thick. So thick they usually won't come out of the blender without the help of a spoon or at least a lot of shaking. So yes, since I barely use any liquid, I need to know the tricks of how to blend ice. You can't just press a button and walk away, which isn't any different from any blender under $200. You need to start out just tapping the pulse button and occasionally shaking the blender until you get the contents rolling, and then you can press the slow button and every few seconds hit the next button up until you have a super smooth smoothie. Oh, and one last tip. I used to think it did a fantastic job at blending ice for such an inexpensive blender, but then I took the blades out and used my steak knife sharpener to sharpen the blades just a tiny bit. Not enough to make them thin like the blades in the NutriBullet or anything, I didn't want them thin and likely to chip, I still wanted the edge to be a wedge and not a blade. But just that little bit of sharpening did the trick and my frozen smoothies are so incredibly smooth now. Try it.